How to kill the root stump of a tree without digging it up. After cutting down a tree, a significant amount of work remains if you want to remove the stump. Hiring a large digger is not always possible. Diggers are expensive and sometimes impractical. A tree trunk may sprout again if the roots are not killed. Drilling into the stump and filling it with a stump and root killing product will prevent the stump from growing again and spare you the task of digging and lifting otherwise required. Things you will need: chainsaw, drill, 1-inch spade bit, chemical stump remover. Cut the trunk as close to the ground as possible using a chainsaw. Fit a drill with a 1-inch spade bit. Drill 1-inch holes around the perimeter of the tree stump 12 inches deep, about 3 to 4 inches away from the edge of the stump. Drill at a downward angle into the side, 3 to 4 inches from the top of the stump, around the perimeter. Pour 3 to 4 ounces of stump remover chemicals, available from many hardware stores, into each hole in the stump except for the sides. Fill the holes with water. The stump and roots will die in 4 to 6 weeks.